Hey grade one, how are you? Welcome back. Today we're going to look at 2 and 3D shapes. So the main focus is I can tell the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. So let's have a look. Having a look at the shape. Do you know what is the name? Yes, it's a square. Can you tell me how many sides and how many corners does it have? Good job. You've got 4 corners and we have 4 sides. And most importantly, this is called a 2D shape because it is flat. Let's look at another shape. Ooh, I wonder what's the name of this shape. It is called a cube. Can you now have a think of how many sides and corners it has? 8 corners and 6 flat sides. Good job. Another property of the shape is it is a 3D shape, which means it is a solid. Some examples of cubes are a tissue box or some dice. Okay, so these are some examples of 3D shapes. Let's look at a few other examples. About this shape, what is this shape called? Do you know the name? Good job. If you guess it's a circle. Now, can you think of how many corners and how many sides it has? 0 corners and 1 curved side. And another important feature of the shape is it's a 2D shape. It is flat, okay? Let's look at one more. I wonder what this shape is. Do you know what the shape is? What's the name? It's called a cylinder. Can you now think of how many corners and how many sides it has? This might be a tricky one. It has 0 corners and 2 flat sides, one at the top and one at the bottom, and one curved. It goes right around one curved side. And another feature of this shape is it's a 3D shape. It is a solid. Let's look at some real life examples. We have a dalla for qahwa or chai. I'm sure you guys have one in your house. That's what your mum and dad would usually use to make tea or coffee in it. Another example would be just some canned food. You can see it has 2 flat sides at the top, one at the bottom, and then 1 curved sides right around. So I want you to have a go at the activity today at knowing the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. Good luck, guys.